Let's see the exercise number 1. You are having the first question. In the first question, a question is there, that is write the first 4 multiples of the 9. It is very simple. You should write answer multiples of 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. In this way, you should write the multiples of 9. This is your first question answer. Then B, it is there. Write all multiples of 11 less than 100. Up to 100 you have to write the all multiples of 11. Means write down 11, 11 2s are 22, then 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Up to 100 we have to write down. Then wait here. 99, it is the last number up to 100. C. Write all multiples of the 4 between 30 and 60. Between 30 and 60. So 4 table you have to count. Here 30 onward which number is there? That is 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56. Stop. Up to 60 only we have to write. So these all are the answers. Now we will see the next D. Let's check your D. List the first 10 multiples of the 3 and 4. Read the tables. Yes. 3 table 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are the multiples of 3. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. These are the multiples of the 4. You have to write 10 multiples of the 3 and 4. In this way you should write. Now I will discuss about the question number 2. Here is your question number 2 from the exercise number 1. That is check whether 12 is the factor of 108 that we have to find out. See, factor कैसे बोला जाता है? If it is divisible by that number is called as it is a factor of that number. 12. Count the table of 12. Is it there 108 in that table? Yes, it is there. 12 nines are 108. Means it is totally divisible by the 12. This 12 is a factor of 108. It has proved. 12 is a factor of 108. Now we will turn with the next question. Here is your big question, that is 234 is multiple of 18 that you have to find out. Student, multiple of 18 means 18 ones, 18 twos are, 18 threes are, 18 fours are, 18 fives are. These are the multiples. Okay, hold the table of 18 plus you have to add in that 18. This is the multiple. Is it the multiple of the 18 that you have to find out? It is the simple way, student. If this number is divisible by 18, totally divisible by the 18, then this number is divisible by, this number is the multiple of the 18. This is the simple method. You can apply this method also. 234 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. Then how many will be remaining there? Yes, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5, 54. Is the 54 is divisible by the 18? No. It is not divisible by the 18. So, this number is not a multiple of 18. We will discuss the next question. See your next question, that is 847 is a multiple of 7. So you have to count the number of table, 7 numbers table up to the 847. Easily आप लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हो? You should divide this number, you will get that multiple. If it is divisible If it is divisible, means remainder will be 0, then this number you will get your multiple number. Just check it, student. Here I will put the number 847. Here 7 ones are 7. Then what will be your 147? Then for this number 7 twos are 14 minus 0 0. You should put this number here. That is 7. 7 ones are 7. We got here number quotient 121. Do you want to check it? Is it correct or not? Simply do this thing. That is 121 into 7 means multiplication we want now. 7 का मल्टीप्लाई ये नंबर करने से आपको कितना नंबर मिलता है? ये नंबर मिलता है, ये देखना है 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 1 जा 7 and 1 it is the 8. Means it has proved that 847 is the multiple of 7. In this way you have to find out. Okay, these are the simple methods. Don't afraid about this. These are very simple methods. In this way you should check and you should write in the notebook. See the next question. Here is the next question, that is the 15 is the factor of 315. Just check, you should do the division. And either you can simply apply the rule of divisibility. For the 15, what is the rule? That is, if that number is divisible by both 3 and 5, means this number is divisible by the 15. Let's check first of all rules, and after that I will show the divisibility. Here is the 5, means this number easily divisible by the 5. Then next, for the 3, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. 3 plus 1, it is the 4, 4 plus 5, it is the 9. 9 can be divisible by the 3. That means this number is divisible by the 3 and 5. Means this number is easily divisible by the 15. Let's check here. That is 315 divided by 15. 15 twos are 30. 31 minus 30 we get here 1. Then 5 we have to put here. 15 ones are 50. 15 0 0. That means 15 is the factor of 315. It has proved. Okay. We will turn towards the next question. That is question number 3. See the student, here is the next question, that is which of the following are the even numbers. Even numbers means these are the multiples of the 2. Means that number is easily divisible by the 2. It is called as, that number is called as even numbers. We will apply here our divisibility rule also. See here is the 6, means this number is easily divisible by the 2. Means it is the even number. Okay. Next 27. It could not be easily divisible by the 2. Means it is the odd number. Here 1 is there. That means odd number. Here 8 is there. Means it is the even number. Simple thing. Which is our divisibility test for the 2. That is 0, 2, 6, 4, 6 or 8. These numbers must be present in the place of ones. That only we can find out, and by that we can say yes, this number is the even number because it is the multiple of even 2. Here 4 it is here, that means it is even number. Here 8, that means it is even number. Here 5 is, that means it is the odd number. This is the odd number. Then even, then odd. See, I'm writing any fast, but I hope that you have understood this concept. Here 4 it is, that means it is even. Here it is 9, means it is the odd number. Here 2 it is there, means it is even number, and this is the odd number. What your question is here? Which of the following are the even numbers we have? We will write here answer, that is 16, 38, 44, 48. 68, 84, 92, are the even numbers. By looking also we can say that these are the even numbers because they are the multiple of the 2. And which numbers are not a multiple of 2, that means that number are not even numbers, they are the odd numbers, which is very simple to keep in your mind. We will take the next question, that is question number 4. Here is your question 4, that is list the prime number between 1 has given to you, that is 10 to 30. You have to identify the prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? That numbers having only 2 factors, 1 and that number itself is called as prime numbers. Let's find out 10 to 30. Here is the 11. 11 only having the 1 and 11 itself. Okay, 13 also not divisible by the other number. 17, 19, 23 and 29. Okay, stop here. Because up to 30 you have to write down. So all these numbers are prime number from 10 to 30. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Next, you have given that is 40 to 60. You have to identify the prime number which are there. First number is 41. After 40, 41 is there. Then, sorry, I have written here 42 to 60. Now, so then student, that is the 42 means 43, then 47, 53 and 59. These numbers are the prime number. Here 75 to 99 you have to write. 75 के बाद कौन सा आता है? 79, 78 it having their factors means it is not a prime number. There is 79 having only 2 factors, that is 1 and that number itself. Then 83, 89 and 97. Up to 99 you have to write here. I hope you understand this question number 4. We will turn towards the question number 5 now. So here is your question number 5. In that, what is your question? Which of the following numbers are prime? That you have to identify. See 5. Yes, it having the only 1 factor. That is 2 factors are there, 1 and that number itself. So 5 is the prime number. Then 11 is the prime number. 17 is the prime number. 28 it is not a prime number because it is divisible by the other numbers also. Then 35 it is again not a prime number because it is again divisible by the other numbers. Then we should say 41 having only 2 factor, 1 and that number itself. So 41 it is the prime number. Then 57 it having the other factors. 63 also having the other factors. Then 77 also having the other factors. So 79 it is the prime number because it does not have the other factors than the 1 number and that number itself only. And 83 and 97, these are the prime number. You should check in the notebook by doing this. Okay, we will turn towards the next, that is the question number 6. Next, that is the question number 6. Which of the following of twin numbers? Which of the following of twin number? Twin number, how we have to twin prime numbers, how we have to identify? We have to do the subtraction, then we will give the difference of 2. We will get the difference of 2. Then we will say that it is the co-prime number. Sorry, twin prime numbers. But here is the next condition, that is that in between those there must be a co-prime number. Then we will see it is the. So what I have told you, that is how we identify this twin prime number. We first of all see the difference. 7 minus 5. We have got 2. Yes. In between that easy composite number. Just check it. 7, 6 it is there. Yes, this is the twin prime number. Next, we will see 31 minus 27. We got here difference 4. That means it is not a twin prime number. 73 Here 45 minus 41, we have got here 4. This is not a twin prime number. Sorry, twin prime number pair. Okay. In this way, we have solved this question number 6. Now we will move towards the next question. Hello student, here is the number 7 question is there. List 6 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. That we have to write which are those numbers 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. These numbers are consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Now next question for you. Here is the question number 8. Which of the following are co-prime numbers you have to identify? Co-prime numbers means which having the common factor as a 1. Which having the common factor as a 1. Let's find out. 48 is here. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 1, then 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the common factors. Now, these are the prime factors of 48. Now we have to take 52, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6. Sorry. Then 13 ones are 30. So here which are the common factors that we have to see? We will write here, then we will understand. For the 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Here for the 52, 2 into 2 into 30 into 1. So 2, these are the common, then 1. So there are the 3 common factors. Only we want the 1 common factor, then it is the co-prime number. By that we can say it is not a co-prime numbers. Okay, let's see the next example. Now here is the 9 and 16. See, 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, correct. Next 16, 2, 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Let's see, is it the common factor? Which are the common factor? 3, 3 and 1. For the 9, 3, 3, 1. Okay. Then for the 60, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Let's see the student. Here are only 1 is common factor. So these are the co-prime numbers. What? It is very simple. In this way you have to find out. Let's see the next example. See example 32 and 49. 32. 2 1s are 2, then 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1. So 2 1s are 2, that means 2 1s are 1. Here 40 49. What will be the common factor? So okay, which are the prime factors that we have to identify? 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So we will write here prime factor for the 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Here for the 49, 7 into 7 into 1. Here is the 1 is common factor, so these are the co-prime numbers. Understood? So these are the co-prime number. In this way you have to find out. There must be a 1 is a common factor. Let's see the next example. Next example is 33 and 51. Let's 33, 3 ones are 51, or 51, 50 ones are 51. So here we will write the common factor, that is 11 into 3 into 1, and for the 51, 51 into 1. That means which are the common factor? That is 1, 2. So again these are the 2 prime number. Okay, very good. I hope you are understanding this. Let's see the next question, that is to find the prime factorization of the following by the factor free method. First is the 48. Just see this 48. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next, in this way, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The next, 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. So which are the prime factor? 2 2 2 2 2. Means these are the prime factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. In this way you have to write in the notebook. We will take the next example. Now next example is 120. We have to do the factorization. Divide by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 0. We get the 60. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 0. Then again factors. These are common now. 30. Again divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now for the 15, which factors will be there? 3 5, sorry. Yes, 3 5s are 15. So we have got here which factors? For 120, we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These prime factors we have got by this factorization factor free method. Next we will see the example. Next example is the 180. 2 into 2 6 are 18, 2 0. Sorry. 2 9s are 18, 2 0 0. Then 2 we will again divide the 19. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay. How we can divide this 45? 5 plus 4 it is 9. It can divide it by the 3. Let's check. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Again for the 15 also we will divide it into the 3 5s are 15. So which factor we have got here for 180? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So these we got the prime factorization. Number is 256. We will take 2 into 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Okay. Now again we have to divide it. 2 into 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 Again we should divide 64, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 into 2, this is 2. Again we can divide it, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Next 2 and 2, 2 here, again 2, and here again 2. Yes, 2 8s are 16. Again we have to see the division. 2 4s are 8. Again we will divide it, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes. 2 2s are 4. We got here 2 2s are 4. Now it is enough. 2 into 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 2. We have got 256. Now it is 90. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Now 55 is here. Means we can divide this 5 to 3. 3 1s are 3. Then 3 5s are 50. 2 into 3. Again 3 into 5. In this way we got this factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. In this way you have to write in the notebook. See the students, here is the next question. Find the prime factorization of the following numbers. First number you have here, that is 144. Okay, 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है पहला प्राइम नंबर हम लोग लेंगे। 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So we have got these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes. Next number. Now you are having the number 168. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Then 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 1. So in this way we got this factor. Now number is 240. Let's check. 240. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0. Yes. 2 6 are 10, 2 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 0. 2 1s are 1, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. In this way we got the factors. Now see 260. It is very simple, student. I know that you will do. 2 1 is 2, then 2 8s are 16. Sorry, 2 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now we are having very simple number, that is 300. See, 300, 2 1s are 2, then 2 5s are 10, 2 0. Okay. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Then 5 plus 7, it is 12. It can be divided by the 3. Yes. So this number also divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now 25. Number 5 plus 2. That is 7. So it cannot be divided by 3. Let's see next number. Yes, 5. 5 is divided by 7. And then once plus it is 5. Then 5. 5 is 25. Yes. That's 5 is so we have got these factors. In this way, we have completed this exercise number 1. Now we have to see the HCF. I'm sorry. Higher common factor we have to find out in the next video. Okay. Bye.